I'm just going to show you another enrichment game that I like to play. This is Dodger. Dodge! Come say hello. Dodger's only been with me for a short while. He's a border collie. He's 4.5, but he's only been with me for a few weeks. But yeah, so he's never seen these kinds of games before, so he's perfect to try. So today I'll be using a mixture of the Level of Hearts and the Great Super Treats. I like to use a mixture of treats in my game, just so it keeps it interesting. As you can see, Dodger's interested. So, all we do is put a treat into a couple of the cups. Don't know if you can see that on the video. Just let me put a couple of liver in, and then I'll show you. So, in some of the holes there are treats, and some of the holes are empty. So all we're going to do is let Dodger have a go with the treats uncovered. Dodger, find him. What's this? Oh, yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Any more? Yes. Yay, good boy. Good boy. Okay, come on, away. Good boy. Dodge, sit down. Sit. Good boy. So, to start with, you let your dog see the treats really easily, just so they get the idea of the game. So the second stage is to put some treats in, and you cover some with balls. Now these can be tennis balls. I've got these strange felt balls, squeaky plastic balls, anything you've got at all. Plastic kids balls. Okay, Dodger. Find him. Find it. So okay, this time, sometimes he gets the treat easily. Sometimes he has to push the ball out the way. If the tin slides, then just put your hand on the corner, just so they get the idea. There's one ball left. Is Dodger gonna move it? He's checking all the others out. Yay! Good boy, Dodger! Yeah! Come here then, out the way. So lots of praise and encouragement every time. Just move all them out the way. So this time, I'm going to put fewer treats in. You'll spread them out, and I'm going to put a ball covering every compartment in the muffin tin. So like I say, it's a real selection of balls. Doesn't have to be the same ones. Right, Dodger, find it. Yeah, good boy. You can see he's really using his nose, he's using his mind. Really good mental stimulation. So whereas I'm sure 4 treats would not last 10 seconds usually, this is really making the treats last, making him work for them, making him work his mind. He's having great fun. He's really looking for the treats. Have you knocked one out somewhere? Yeah, it's in here. So yeah, as you can see, Dodger's never played this game before, but as you can see, he's really picking it up really quickly. Oh, there's none left. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Yes, good boy. Paw. Yeah, good boy. Other paw. The other one. Other one. Yeah. So you can combine it with other games, but just make it really rewarding for your dog. And they do say that 10 minutes stimulation is like 40 minutes walking for your dog. So this is great for dogs that are on limited exercise, or if you've got a dog like a collie that needs a lot of stimulation, you can find that you overstimulate with walks. This is a really great calming game. My other favourite games are, of course, the Licky Mat and the Bone. If anybody's not seen this, this is the Licky Bone. Yes, Dodge. See, Dodger likes it because we've been playing with this. Yes, it's a bone. Usually this has got treats in it. Thank you. And come out the way. The Licky Mat. So I smear treats onto this. So it's got none on at the moment because he's been taught to use this. He goes to it automatically. So yeah, you're not running off with the bone, thank you. So any questions, please do ask, and someone from Frank and Jellies can get back to you. But yeah.